Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall YouTube from Android phone. So if this first time you use Android and maybe there is a problem with the YouTube, or there is a crash your YouTube, you can try to uninstall it. There is two way. The first way, you can hold the icon and go to the app info. You can uninstall from this. If you cannot, you just disable from your Android phone, because this is like a bloatware. And the second way, you can go to the Play Store and search for YouTube. Here you can uninstall YouTube completely from the Play Store. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.